Want to understand volume profile in 60 seconds? Here's the framework. Volume profile shows you where the market did business. The POC is the price with the most volume. VAH and VAL mark the upper and lower edges of value. Here's how professionals use it. Price is inside value, expect rotation. That usually means low quality trades and more two-way movement. If price moves to the edge of value, ask one question. Is the market accepting price or rejecting it? If the value is rejected at VAH, sellers can rotate back toward POC or VAL. If value is rejected at VAL, buyers can rotate price back higher. But if price accepts outside value, that can signal imbalance and value migration. That's where the best asymmetric trades often start. So the real edge is not memorizing lines. It's understanding location, acceptance, rejection, invalidation, and target magnets. That's the foundation behind everything I teach here. And if you want the full execution model, Trading on the Edge gives you the complete framework behind the free content.